hello.
Hello.
Wow.
Okay.
You have your paper na? Do you have your paper and your pencil? Okay,
Yes.
okay. Where? Let me see, let me see, let me see. Wow, where's your pencil? I mean your paper. Ah, okay, okay. Wow. We are going to do your writing. What letters na? What letter are we na? A, B,
D, D, E, F, H.
H. Now we're gonna be the letter I, right? We're gonna write the letter I. Where's my
R.
paper? Did you see my paper?
S.
It's there. My paper. Oh, teacher wrote as well, no? Okay, so
Y.
how? Huh?
Y.
What do you mean
Yes.
why?
Yes.
Why I wrote?
The paper so ugly.
I erased it. Okay, before we start, let's watch a video first of letter I. Okay? Letter I writing. I want you to look carefully, ha? Okay?
Okay.
Okay, here you go.
That's the big I.
That's
Start
the
at the
big, what's this? Big,
B.
big I. What are the lines
Y.
again? Blue line. Look at the lines. Blue line,
Green
red
line.
line,
Red
blue
line.
line.
Blue line.
Okay, again. Blue line, red
Green
line,
line.
blue line.
Red.
Yeah, very good. Okay, nice, nice, nice. Let's look at
top
it.
and make a line down. Go back to the top and make a line across.
And then line.
Then go to the bottom and make another line across.
Wow, Jirin, so good. Ay, huh? It's so big. Okay, okay, okay. What are we gonna write nga? Blue line to blue line. Look at the line, huh?
Okay.
Okay, look at the line. Jirin line, blue line to blue line.
And straight line is straight line.
Ha?
Straight line and straight line.
Okay, blue line to blue line.
Blue
Okay.
line. Blue
Done
line.
na? Oh,
Yes.
finish. Let me see. Where? Where? I can't. I can't see. Yay! Very good. Okay, now the small I, small I, small I. It should be straight. Huh? It should be straight. Okay, small I is for red line lang. Jirin, look teacher first. Look teacher. Small I is for red line to blue line and then point. Then a point. Okay.
No.
Red line to blue line and then point, point, point.
And then
Not finish. Let's see, let's see.
that's so big.
Wow.
Too,
Oh,
too
very
big.
good. Yes, you did it right. Oh, one more time. One more time pa. One more time. Blue to blue. Blue to blue. Remember the blue line lang ha.
Okay.
Red to blue.
Blue,
Okay.
blue, blue to
Go,
blue.
Jirin. So, Jirin.
Yeah, I'm done.
Let's see. Wow! One more. One more. One more. Sige.
One more.
Oh, one more. Go. There's one day in the comes.
Hey.
Finish?
That's it. One. I'm done.
Where? Let me see down. Let me see. Yeah. Ay, the small eye is so big. It's so tall. Okay, that's okay. Red line to blue lang. Red line to blue line. Okay, understand?
Okay. This is big.
Okay, what is the next letter?
Not yet, not yet.
Ah, not yet, not yet. Okay, okay.
I'm done.
Let me see, let me see. Where? Yay, perfect. Yeah. High five, teacher. High five. High five. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, oh. Okay, now, what's the next letter, Jirin? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay, let's watch the J first. Look at the J, Jirin.
The Singing Walrus.
Let's write the letter J.
Go to our website,
See you. Okay.
capital J. That's the big J.
Big J.
Start at the top and go down to the bottom,
Down,
then
then
go
across.
around and up.
And up.
Next, go back to the top
Top.
and make a
and
line
make a
across.
line. Again.
Let's try it again.
Try again.
Down,
Down,
around, and up.
Up. Across.
Across.
Okay. Jirin can do it na? Oh, with teacher. With teacher. Jirin with teacher. Okay. Start at the blue line, Jirin. Blue line. Go down and go up. Oh. And then line across. There is one day in your house. There is one day in your courts.
Yeah.
Finish? Oh, where? What? Oh no. Hold it, hold it. Very good. Very good. Very oh oh. Okay, good job. Next we have the small J. Okay? Small J now, small J. Small
Good
J.
job! Now we're going to write the lowercase j. That's the
Lowercase.
small j. Start in the middle and go
Start in the red line. Jirin, where are we going to start? In the red
Down.
line. Red lines.
down below the bottom, then go around and up.
Then
Next, make a small dot above the middle. Let's try it again. Down, around, and up. Make a small dot above the middle.
Okay. Oh, we teacher first. We teacher first. Teacher first. Okay, we're start in the red line. Jirin, look, teacher. Jirin, look. Red line. Go down to the blue line and then go up. And then a dot. Ah. Okay, okay na? Okay, go, Jirin. Go, Jirin. Go, Red line, ha? Red line. And then a little go down with the blue line. And then go up. Start from the red line. And then go up a little. Finish?
No.
Okay. Finish?
Done.
Whoa, let's see. Let me see. Where? Ah! Oh, I'm busy now. Teacher can't see. Jirin, I can't see it. Hold properly, please. No, I cannot. Oh, closer. Oh, nice. Very good. Oh, Sigma boy. Do you know Sigma boy?
It's my
Wait.
boy. Bye.
Ah, okay, one more. Big J. Oh, one more si Big J. Big J. Blue line. Small J. Red line. Blue line. Go. La 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 la. Finish, Jirin.
No.
Not yet
Snap.
finished.
I wanna eat
Write it down now. Faster.
snap.
Oh, what's wrong?
Not yet. I want
Oh, let me see
snap.
now. Finished?
No.
No, okay. La
Help
la
me.
la.
Well, that always there.
Hmm? Mm, 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 mm,
Alone.
Let me see. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, what happened? Erase.
Today,
Erase.
and that way.
No, okay. Do it again.
Wow, no, need that
What?
bala. What? Don't you know? Yeah, bye.
Okay, finish.
Yes,
Let me see.
but
Let me see. Can I? Can I see it? You did not erase? Okay. Small J. Small J. J is for Jirin. Oh, J is for Jirin. J
no,
and J.
no,
Okay, small J.
and R and E and M.
Ah,
You got
come on.
you got E and M.
Go.
And J and
Let me see.
that you see.
Uh-huh. Wow. Again. One more. We're gonna write 3 times. Spring and then go there. Okay. Two, 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 two. Two, 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 two. Go, Jirin. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, finish?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Let me see. Let me see. Higher, higher, higher. Eh, what happened to your small J? Oi, 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 oi. Small J, small J. Small J, go a little down. Go a little down and up. Not like this. Oh, no. Ow. No. Okay. Erase the small J. Erase small J. Erase small J. Go, go, go. Toot, 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 toot. Go, 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 go. Finish.
Done.
Let me see. Little bit higher. A little bit higher. Move, move, move. Ay, Jiren. We need to do better with the J. Okay, let's proceed to the letter. What's the next letter, Jiren? What's the next letter? Letter K. Okay, what are you eating? Give me some.
I know.
We'll write the capital K. That's the big K.
That's the
Start at
big
the
K.
top and make a line down.
Oh, look first. Look again. Look again.
The top and make a line down. Next, go back to the top and make a line down to the left. Then, make a line down to the right.
Ooh.
Let's try
One
it
more.
again. Down,
Down.
down to the left,
Down to the left. Down to the right.
Now you try.
Okay, now you try, Jiri. Okay, now you try. Okay, what is it? Down, make a line. Jirin, look. Make a line. Oh, make a line. Together with teacher. Make a line. Faster, make a line. Okay, blue line to blue line lang ha. Blue line to blue line. Blue line to blue line only. Now down to the left. Jirin, look teacher. Down to the left. Blue to red. Okay, blue to red. A slanting line. Okay, yes, finish. Okay, then
Not
go.
yet.
Not yet, not yet.
Yeah.
Finish now.
Okay.
Now red to blue. Red to blue, red to blue, blue to blue. Red to blue. Finish. Where? Hold it. Ah, good. Yay, yay, yay. Yeah. Okay, now let's have the small K. Very good, Jirin. Where are you? Where are you?
Now we're going
Small
to write
K.
the lowercase k. That's the
Jin.
small k.
Small
Start
K.
at the top and make a line down.
Down.
Next, go to the middle and make a small line down to the left. Then make a small line down to the right.
Oh, it's gonna be between only the red and the blue. Okay? Okay? Oh, one more.
Let's try it again. Down, down to the left, down to the right. Now you try.
Okay, now you try, Jirin. All together with teacher first. Down to the blue to blue. Okay. Blue to blue. Go, come on. Blue to blue. Blue to blue. And then look first, kay teacher, look first. And then red to blue. Oh, small only in between the red and blue. What? Where? Ah, very good again. Yeah. Mm, mm, mm. High five, teacher, high five. High five. You do it one more time. You write one more time. One more time. Big K first. Big K. Big K. Big K. Okay, go right. Faster. Go right. Go right. Go right. Right. Finish.
No.
Okay. Finish. Finish. Where? I can't. Higher. Higher, please. What happened to the big K? It's all small K already. Big K. No. Okay. Good job. Very good. You did very well. Next time, you did great because you went blue line, red line, and blue line only. Good job, Jireen. High five, teacher. High five. Yes. I'll see you next time, okay? Okay?